So if you're looking for just one simple habit that could dramatically improve your health, start here. This stacks nutrition into one meal. Greens, fruit, seeds, minerals, and hydration all in one pretty package. I used to be the person that would load up on all the healthy food. I'd bring all the greens home, load them up in the produce drawer, only to unload them into the trash a week later when they would wilt and go bad. If this sounds like you, then stay tuned. 10 years ago, I started drinking this smoothie, not because it was trendy, but because I was struggling with my health and I was seeking out solutions. Fast forward to today, I have drank this smoothie thousands of times and I never get tired of it. It tastes amazing, it's easy, it's enjoyable, and it's super effective for countless reasons. And I'm gonna share that all with you today. You'll wanna make sure and bookmark, save this video to come back to it to make this with me, or better yet, grab it inside the EatMoveRest app. It's linked below in the description, along with a 52% off discount that will not be around forever. If you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, join the EatMoveRest fam, and leave me some love in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite superfood ingredients are to add into your smoothies. For me, this wasn't just about making a healthy concoction that I would have to plug my nose and swig down. It had to check the 3 E's that I continually talk about. It has to be easy to make. Number 2, it has to be enjoyable. And number 3, it has to be effective. It has to actually work. A decade later, I'm still enjoying this drink every single morning because I have experienced immense benefits. Countless, too many to name. It's like having a salad in a glass, truly, that tastes super good. I don't drink coffee. It gives me boundless energy. Everything from improved gut health, better digestion, glowing skin, and it makes getting greens into my day-to-day diet effortless. I do love salads now, but that wasn't always the case. So if you're struggling to get these healthy fruits and veggies, especially the leafy greens, into your diet, start feeding your gut microbiome with this smoothie, and before you know it, you will be craving the healthy foods, I promise you. So stay tuned, let's dive right into how I make it and how I make it quick and easy, because this looks like a lot, right? Best part is, 3 kids later, our whole family of 5 enjoys this smoothie together now, so it is super kid friendly.
I love Mama's green smoothies. I'm the queen of greens.
Green, green, and mean.
Green, green, mean.
In fact, my husband Dusty and I have gone back to our former high schools and done this smoothie demo for high school kids that cringe as we're making it, and they plug their noses and start to take a swig and think, not bad. I wish I would have had this recipe when I was a high school athlete. I'm so glad I had it as a postpartum mama, and I look forward to enjoying it every single day 10 years later, like I said. So even Dusty's 90-year-old grandpa has adopted this smoothie recipe into his day-to-day. So it's in our cookbook, it's in our app. You know where to find it, linked below.
But seriously, we all love this. I drink it too. Just did, actually. We're gonna have 2 today.
So I'm not gonna share my entire health story. In a nutshell, I was really struggling with my digestion. I had a fiber obsession, but I was looking in all the wrong places at the processed packaged foods when I finally realized all I needed to do was shop the produce section. So I usually just start with 3 cups of filtered water, and I should also mention this is 2 adult servings, or you could get 2 servings plus feed 3 little kids, which we often do with this smoothie. Next up, I'm gonna add chia and flax. So the water's in there to prevent any of these seeds or superfood powders from sticking. So 1 tablespoon of chia, 1 tablespoon of flax. We buy them in bulk at Costco. Go watch one of our Costco food hauls. These are fantastic sources of omega-3 fatty acids, your best possible sources in the plant kingdom. So get them in the form of a smoothie. Don't bother buying it ground because it will simply oxidize and you won't get that omega-3 benefit. And if you eat the chia seeds whole, I know everybody talks about chia seed pudding. You're only getting the fiber benefit because your body isn't able to break down the seeds inside your digestive system to get the omega-3 benefit. So toss them in the green smoothie, or any smoothie for that matter. Next up is 1 Brazil nut. So all it takes is 1 single Brazil nut to get more than your daily dose of selenium, which is super important for thyroid health and metabolism. Lots of other benefits as well. 385% selenium in 3 nuts. Sea vegetables. This is Atlantic dulse. This is just seaweed that you would find washed up on the beach, but it is a fantastic source of iodine. Iodine is another important one for thyroid health, metabolism. You don't want to be short on it, so just simply add some to your smoothie. I add about a teaspoon. 1 tablespoon is 284% of the daily recommended value. Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is the most antioxidant rich form of cinnamon, and it's also great for your blood sugar, keeping that balanced and stable. So this could be an amazing green smoothie without the addition of the powders, but I like a little extra concentrated oomph of green for that mineral rich benefit. Lots of minerals, and also for detoxification. I would say the Daily Green Boost is my top pick for minerals. Spirulina is my top pick for detox. This is also one of the richest sources of plant protein. Also, both have a good amount of iron. This one has 100% vitamin A, so lots of good stuff. Could put both in, but I usually alternate. And my last 2 superfood powders that I add in are a good organic plant protein. In fact, the same one I've been using since day one. This is the Sun Warrior Vanilla Warrior Blend. So because it's serving 2 of us, I like to add in 1.5 to 2 scoops. So this is another great source of iron on top of the protein benefit. It also really improves the taste. Tastes great by itself, but I recommend adding the protein. Another favorite from Sun Warrior that I adopted into my smoothies maybe about 4 or 5 years ago is the Beauty Greens Collagen Booster. I do the unflavored, just 1 scoop. So instead of consuming hooves and horns and hides, I'd rather help my body produce more of its innate collagen, and that is exactly what this supports. If you guys want to save on Sun Warrior, check the description below for 20% off with our code. Now, not only is this lean and green, it's also loaded with protein, hence the name, the Lean Green Protein Smoothie from here at EatMoveRest. This is essentially our nutritional insurance policy. Dusty tells everybody you could probably get away with eating canned peaches and French fries for the rest of the day, knowing that you had this for breakfast. I obviously know what you're thinking at this point. Whoa, 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 lady, like way too many powders, superfoods, that's gonna take way too much time and it's gonna be super expensive. Well, number 1, I'm not taking any prescription meds, and number 2, it took me about 9 years, by the way, to figure this out. It doesn't take time if you properly prep. So I have about 10 of these little smoothie prep jars in the refrigerator. I pre-measure all of the seeds, nuts, superfoods, protein powders into these jars, and then once I pour in my water, clunk, in it goes, and then the fresh ingredients, and then the frozen. Now we're gonna add in our fresh and frozen ingredients. I usually like to add in a fresh Granny Smith apple, 2 stalks of celery, and then some type of dark green leafy. If you're a beginner, I would recommend spinach. I still use spinach from time to time, but my absolute top pick is dino or lacinato kale. The darker the green, the more nutrient dense. Dino kale, collards, curly kale, spinach, any of those. Try to rotate your greens, and then I'll add in frozen banana, pineapple, and mango. Dusty actually just left Costco today with a case of organic bananas. The case is about 40 pounds and about 80 to 90 bananas. We let them get speckled just a little bit more than this. That's when all of the starches have converted into sugars, making them sweeter. Make sure you peel them, break them into pieces, and then freeze them. We made a rookie mistake when we first started by just simply freezing the bananas as is. We had to toss the whole batch because they're impossible to peel. You can also prep your fresh and frozen ingredients. Toss your rinsed kale, chopped apple, celery, everything. The banana, the pineapple, the mango goes in here, and toss that in the freezer. You could have 7 of these, and then all you have to do is pour in the powders, pour in the frozens, and blend. Last hack. You can buy the pre-chopped organic greens, bring them home, and just toss them straight into the freezer. They're never gonna wilt. They'll stay good for months. So I've got about 5 torn up dino kale leaves, a couple stalks of chopped celery, 1 chopped Granny Smith apple. Another thing we get at Costco in bulk is our frozen mango. And then I've also got some frozen pineapple. I would say one or the other, but both is extra tasty. I added about 3 cups of frozen pineapple and mango combination, and then, like I said, 2 to 3 frozen bananas. We usually break our bananas in half, so I know that just means 4 halves. So 2 servings, 500 or 600 calories per serving, plentiful protein, healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and ample healthy carbs tied to fiber. Easiest meal of the day, also the easily most enjoyable in my humble opinion. Dusty would say the same. We start every day with this and some mindful movement, and it does the body good. Most people aren't eating enough greens. A lot of people aren't eating enough fruits and veggies, and for sure, not many people are eating enough raw foods. Raw living foods are a life force. These living foods, you could plant them in the ground and they would sprout. Think about this chia, the flax. If you buried it in the ground, it would produce new life. And that's exactly what it does within your body. The biggest benefit isn't what happened after one smoothie, it's what happened after several smoothies strung together day after day. Consistency, healthy habits that stick. And it's all thanks to the 3 E's. I say it all the time. It's easy, it's effective, and it's enjoyable. So if you want to experience the things that I've experienced, improved gut health, better digestion, glowing skin, more energy without loading up on the caffeine first thing in the morning, the list seriously goes on and on. Try this for 30 days. If you're in, comment day 1 below. Keep track, keep checking in. Let us know how you're feeling. All right, you guys, if you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and join the EatMoveRest fam. Tap that bell to turn on your notifications and leave me some love in the comments below. If you're gonna try the green smoothie for 30 days, comment day 1 below. Check out the description for the protein powder. To join the EatMoveRest Club, you'll find the recipe and so many more in our app. We do lots of challenges within the membership as well. You can take our 14-day sugar detox challenge. It's a fantastic jumping off point. And be sure to get on the wait list for our longevity mastermind group coaching program coming very soon. All right, you guys, EatMoveRest and blend your best. Bye. Gross. You're like that Saturday Night Live episode with Chris Farley where he's like jumping on his dad's back. Here, one more. And then we walk past, turn around,